Hey there. So I just wanted to provide a quick little update on content production over here at my food blog. So first off, I just want to say I hope that none of you or your family or friends are directly having to deal with an infection from the coronavirus. But if you are, my thoughts are with you guys. But I just wanted to say that as a result of everything that's going on, I'm going to be slowing down content production over the next month and a half. So that's going to be through the end of April. I already have some content and recipes and whatnot in production, so you'll probably see those released over the next month and a half. But new production is just going to be slowing down for numerous reasons. First off, it takes a lot of food to recipe test a recipe and to get it all out the door. From the food photography, there's like food waste involved no matter how hard you try. And trust me, I try really hard to avoid food waste, but there is some food waste involved. And just the need for groceries in general is very, very high with a food blog. As a result, I just think this is the time to slow things down a bit because there's other people that probably need food and I don't want to be a resource draw during this time. So I'm going to be slowing down production on my food blog through the end of April, at least right now, just to make that a little easier on everyone. On top of that, people in my community, my family and friends, I have some people who have compromised immune systems. They're older, and by slowing down production, it means I don't have to go to the grocery store more. I don't have to have a film crew as often. All those things reduce my risk of coming in contact, and therefore reduce the risk of people in my family or my friends coming in contact, and the same thing for my crew. So it's just more of like out of respect. By slowing things down, it just means that hopefully we can get through this all together a lot quicker. So I just want to let you know, this is just a little update to let you know that you'll still be seeing some recipe content, new recipe content coming out as a result of things that are always in production. I'm usually a few months ahead of time anyway, but if you do notice a slow, that's why. It's going to be going this way through the end of April, but I'll keep you updated just to let you know. Thank you, as always, for watching my videos, making my recipes, interacting with me, and just be safe and smart during this time. And I wish you all the best.